Today, I would like to talk about CSS media queries that can be pretty useful. A lot of us have used Bootstrap and we see various column width, XS 12, MD10, and all that kind of stuff, and it's pretty good. And but sometimes you might want to create a custom website or maybe a custom thing, and you may have to dig into the media queries a little bit. So I would give you a very short, quick example here. I have created a basic HTML page here. We have a header, we have a footer, and on the left I just have an unordered list, and I put in a float of left, so this would flow to the left, and then I have a paragraph which is basically going to be styled through the CSS, and I'll show you the media queries. So the way to do understand the media queries is, let me just show you the first example. So what I'm doing is the paragraphs are going to be colored as blue, and the width of this paragraph is there's a function in CSS itself called calc which you can use, and I'm showing it that the width is going to be 100% minus 100 pixel, and this 100 pixel was what we had the width of this unordered list on the left. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm giving paragraph the rest of the area, and then I say the word wrap, we can break the word so it looks pretty even. You don't have to do that, but that's what it is. So I have only put in basically one media query that you can kind of play around, and you can do something similar. But here I'm saying the media queries usually begin with @media, and I'm saying that it's only applicable to only one type of device. And when we say screen, it usually means computer screens like a tablet, iPhone, PC, Mac, and all that kind of stuff. And it says, and if the minimum width is 480 pixel, all I'm doing is I'm changing the width calculation, and I'm going to say that width calculation is 100% minus 150 pixel instead of the 100 pixel, which is the normal range. And I'm also doing a little transform here to rotate the paragraph by 5 degrees. So we kind of know how it behaves on devices which are bigger than this minimum width. When the minimum width is 480, they behave differently. So if I look at this, and you can see this is how it is behaving. So this is on the left, the footer, the header, and the footer. And now this, you can see, you can tell this media query caused it to rotate the paragraph. And if I change it to an old iPhone, which is a smaller width, you can see that now because the float was left, didn't have enough space, it's going to be pushed down, and it does not even apply the transform. So that's pretty much the essence of how the media queries work. And you can set these things up similar to Bootstrap or any other program, where you can say minimum width is this for desktops, devices, you do this. And you can also do something like this where you have the queries done through the max width fields. If you want to know a little bit more about how the media queries work, you can essentially go to my website, and you may already know this. If you go to the HTML page, let's say I just go into some HTML type of page, and at the bottom I have some links which you can may be very helpful. Typically I like to go to this one, W3C School, and here you can see it has more information. And if I type in media, here for example, you can see it says CSS3 media queries, and here you can see more examples of media queries, and you can also check the references, and you can see various things that are applicable to the media queries. These are examples like min width, max width, minimum color, and all that. So thank you for watching this short screencast, and you have a great day.